We back, baby!
My way to see a venue with Monica because we're getting married this year, June 29th. Holla at your boy. But we're gonna go see a venue. We're gonna go after that, chill out. Monica's probably gonna go to the gym, but I want to give an overall update because your boy is driving Dalian, the S13. What you mean, dog? And long story short, but I think I'm gonna get back. I figured everything out and how I want to go. Not even figured everything out. I'm just gonna do it instead of freaking waiting for the perfect time or wait until everything settles down. I'm just gonna go after it. And things have settled down. I had my drop, which was successful. We dropped a new line with the new website, and everything was good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. Time to get back to work. It's been way too long. I don't know what the future holds, but I'm gonna try my ass off and literally just film everything again. I miss what life was, and it's not even like, I just miss creating every day, and it might not be every day, but I want to create. I just want to have fun. I want to have fun with it again. I don't want to do crazy, like every once in a while I'll do some crazy edits, but those crazy edits that I did and kept pushing. Sometimes it's better to just go back to your simple stuff. And I was even like tempted to get a basic point and shoot, but this baller camera, I don't want it to go to waste. So I may or may not slap my mic on, but I just want a basic setup where I can just bring this camera everywhere I go again and just film what I'm up to, because you know, it's just like life's a little different. I design and make clothing a lot more than I used to, and I'm just gonna bring you along for that process, like no matter what. And we have the S13. I'm pretty much gonna be getting it like fancy and making it look good. The only thing that stinks about this camera, I can't see if I'm recording, or I can't see if I'm like cropped or if you're zoomed up. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go with it, and I'm gonna get this thing done, and we're gonna do this. By the way, this freaking S13 has AC and music, even though the music's in my headphones right now, but it has AC, which is nice. Monica's so excited for me to film again. She's been asking me for months to start vlogging again.
Where's Mama?
Lena, what's good with you?
She walked in, she's like, it smells so good in here. I'm happy to marry you.
You like the way it smells, Lena?
Look, smell. Smoke-free environment.
What you mean, dog?
Does it smell good?
That does smell good here.
All visitors, please ring bell and speak. Hi, we're here for a tour at 6:30. Thank you.
And speak for you.
So this is the lobby.
Excited, Lena?
Gosh, you're getting married.
You think so? You feeling this place? Any excited?
Do my keys.
I can't. Take that. He's right here.
I got the keys, the bees, the knees, lemon squeeze.
What do you think?
I like it.
Me too.
Me too.
Just get food.
And I'm starving. I want to get food.
Go somewhere for food?
Yeah.
I'm up for
Where do you
the
wanna
challenge. Count me in, guys.
Lena's on the rise for the YouTube sensation.
Count me
Right?
in.
We should go to Zoop, my treat.
Yeah, can I go with you?
Just want to go
Do you want?
over
Yeah.
there and I'll
Can I
follow
go
you.
with you?
Yes.
Can I follow you?
Yeah.
Can I go with you?
Yes.
Thank you.
You want to squat out in the 240?
Oh yeah. You got it right.
You got it right. How do you like that car, Lena?
It's cool. I like it.
It's the first car you get to squat out with me.
That literally was the same desk my dad has.
Oh no. Squad. Come on, Lena, over here. The daddy mobile.
Wait, can you turn Leon back there?
Yeah. Ready?
Just in case we like bump in.
Alright, ready? This is how we turn on this light because I forgot to hook it up. Bam! Alright, come on. That's my license plate. when I put my front or my rear bumper on, I forgot to plug in the license plate. Whatchamacallit. Yeah, there's a lot of things I have to explain, but I got this car all drivable. The Pathfinder's down. The Pathfinder let me down, man. I don't know what to do. Just the radiator broke, and I had to fix it. I'm thinking about putting like an aluminum radiator back in, and yeah, I just. All right, that's fine. Where are we going? Yeah, that's fine. Do you want to just go? Let's just go home, and then. All right.
No, Daddy, I want to go to the place.
All right, that's fine.
Daddy, I want to go out.
It's always been a dream of mine to have like Lena Lops able to drive with me, and now we good. We in there. Oh, my car doesn't do well with the AC on when it starts. All right, so yeah, driving next. I do want to explain stuff though, because I got this Bang Bang shift boot, and we're gonna be rocking, talking, locking, balking.
Hey, can we just go out with this one? With this car, please?
Yeah.
Yay! Can we go out?
We'll drop Mommy's car off.
Huh?
We'll drop Mommy's car off.
Oh. Why do I have to drop Mommy's car?
Because that way we can ride together.
Where's Zoop?
Zoop for you.
We're at Bum Bum.
We just picked up Monica, stopped home, dropped the car off, and now the squad. Let me grab some stuff. We're going to Zoop. This place is like my jam, but only sometimes. Like sometimes they don't have my soup, so I ain't bringing it. S13 Bang Bang. I always forget which way to turn this key. Always. I think low key my other lock is broken. Hey, what did you get?
Mac and cheese, please move that.
I'm sorry. Mac and cheese for me?
Mac and cheese for me.
Hit me with the wrap real quick. Quick one. Let's show them how they wrap.
Check, check, check. I'm JoJo Siwa. Check, check, check. I'm JoJo Siwa. Check, check, check. I'm JoJo Siwa.
Go bars on bars. Yeah.
Bars and bars and bars.
There you go. It's not unlocked. The one time I locked it.
I know, right?
Why do you do this? All right, my side's unlocked.
Hold the camera.
No, my side's unlocked, so give me a head start.
Okay.
And I'll unlock the side.
All right.
Strategize.
Go.
Strategic. You ready?
Don't fall. He's speed lightning. Ouch.
Sorry. This car's too small.
It is. This is how long it takes us to get in the driveway.
It's not that bad.
We have to pull in a weird way.
You just gotta go on an extreme angle.
And then we have to go, oh, the scrape. No.
The scrape comes up here.
Oh!
It's right here.
Oh, it's so bad. Oh man, do you hear that? Tell them what you told me.
What?
Your toe.
Yeah, I was like, there's a hole right at my feet. There's a hole on my feet. I was like, it's not that bad. But my toes said no way.
And then he has water dripping from there.
I'm like, nah, it doesn't leak. We're good. But the HIDs though, I'm just gonna.
Gotta turn the lights off.
Yeah, I know.
You need to cut the grass. Look at that.
I know.
Tomorrow.
If it doesn't rain, remember it's been raining every day.
Okay.
And idle's super high, but.
Shoot for tomorrow. Are you turning it off?
Yeah. My dudes, I am going to see you probably tomorrow. I want to explain what's going on with the S13 as well as the Pathfinder. The Pathfinder, the radiator broke, and it's a known problem where if the radiator breaks, your trans fluid will leak into your radiator. It's possible to have coolant gone into your, how do I say that? It's possible that coolant can make its way back to your transmission and break the transmission. So as soon as I found coolant in the radiator, I stopped driving it. I got like the S13 ready in like a couple days. My buddy Caesar came and helped me, and yeah, I just been hustling. But there's a lot of things I had to fix, just like nothing that big of a deal, like rust, holds, it idles highs, but it has AC and radio and music, so it's sick. We're gonna be building it up. Not really like crazy, but just like super clean, super simple. And just chilling, mobbing out with the family. I've wanted that since the S14. I've always wanted a car where I can mob out, and that's the car. I'm gonna keep the stock exhaust and like keep it smelling good, because like the whole thing is like I don't want fumes in the cabin because Lena. So the S14 was really bad with that. So holla at your boy, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm gonna try to, maybe not every day, but film every time I can, because there's a lot of new stuff that I'm working on. A lot of new, some new homies I've been chilling with, and it's just been fun. Like, life's been good, and I'm trying to stay positive. Even like there's always mental roadblocks with me, and like I always do like somewhat crazy randomly, and it's like out of nowhere, and I get like stressed out, and like I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm losing like control of my own happiness, because like happiness is like controlled by your own mind, and like you're the only one that can make yourself happy. And when I lose control of that, I really go crazy, and honestly, making videos helps that. For like making vlogs helps me get my emotions out, and also creating clothing. But we just had a drop, and I'm waiting for new products to come in. We're exploring into something new. But so yeah. So into the meantime, I'm settled down. Life is alright, and I just like, you know what, I'm gonna start making videos. If not, I'm gonna go insane, and it's the only thing that helps me at this point. And it's not like there's times where I feel like I have no one to talk to, and like at the same time, you guys help me more than, you know, like making videos helps me, and I'm trying to get better mentally. Like everything in the world, like if you're not mentally strong, you're not gonna be truly happy. And like I care about more so why I think the way I do. I care more about why I think something rather than why is this happening to me. So like if something bad happens, or if I feel a way, I don't care about what happened. I care about why it affected me in the way it did, and I try to break it down, and sometimes it messes with my head. So I'm trying to get better, and I'm gonna get better, and I've gotten better. I've gotten so much mentally stronger than before. It takes a lot for me to get into like a bad mental space. So yeah. So the next time, no, I'm serious. I'm gonna start filming. There's a lot of work to do on S13, so I'm gonna film that. I got my homie, Kenny. He's at H2O right now, but I'm gonna be, once he gets back, he has a GTST he just got, I'm gonna film that. He has we have his whole, he makes music, I wanna film that process, and I've been working with him, creating music videos, creating a bunch of stuff, clothing. I wanna film literally everything again, and just simply edit, nothing crazy, even though I just hope I do that. I hope I don't get too intricate. But till next time, I love you guys. Holla at your boys, and happy freaking, I think I kinda wanna, I don't know if I can upload this today. Happy Wednesday or Thursday. I love you so much. Holla at your boy. Get at me on the DMs on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. At this point, like and subscribe, because I'm trying to freaking make my way through life, and I need your guys' help. And at this point, no shame anymore. I'm tired of, I want to make it in life, and we're gonna do it. And I need your help. Before I never asked for help, but I need your freaking help. So holla at your boy, son. We love you so much. Get at me on DMs for real. Happy frickin' Wednesday or Thursday. Holla at your boys.
Tough for me to pick it up, I gotta run. It seems like yesterday I just turned 21. I don't wanna be on one and done. I wanna do something that nobody has done. I spent too many nights trying to figure out why I am the way that I am. I'm picking fights with my girl, I know you fucking can.